Alright, real quick, looking at the S&P Futures with the volume profile on and on the 6-month, we can see that volume is starting to establish by price here in the 2095 area. It looks like it's getting pretty close to rivaling the volume spent here at the high volume node in the 2038 area. So we'll want to watch and see if that builds out and what side of it we're on when it happens. Really, you can see volume being built out anywhere from these lows in the 2088 area up into the 2102 to 2103s. So this area would be considered support. I maintain a call side bias over 2095, and anything under 2095 into 2088 would probably be a neutral stance. This being stuck in this area, we can see a lot of consolidation just because we get trapped by the volume itself. Once we get above this price, I would feel a lot more comfortable to play the call side, and below this price, obviously the put side. If we're looking for the next area of support under the 2087-2088 range, we would first look at the top of the value area here at 2080, though there's not much volume there. If we wanted to look lower, there's a small spike here at the 2068 area that might provide a little bit of support, and then the main support then would come anywhere here in the 2033 all the way up until the 2060 area, where we can see a significant build out, as well as that HVN on the 6-month there. We can see these smaller spikes below. If we were to test under this range, it would take something huge to move the market through this much volume, I would think. So it would have to be some sort of news-related event. I don't see us coming below this 2033 to 2060 range anytime soon. If we want to go out a little bit further into the 1 year and see what else we've got, we can see again that pocket of support we were discussing. Below that, again, not a lot of volume. Just for reference, you've got volume spikes there and there. We can see that on the 1 year, the high volume node still sits down here at 1946. And what the market's going to need to move much higher is for volume to establish higher. Right now, with the high volume node down here, we're already trading outside of the value area. But if the volume support was to move higher, if we were to establish it here at the 2060s or even up here in the 2095s, I think that would give the market a lot more reason to be able to move a little bit higher. Right now, it seems like it's just been catching itself every little bit. It goes up, it has to come right back down. If market was to break higher over that volume price and then over this all-time high here, which is currently 2119, then we would see a move, I would assume, up into the 2140s to test the shorter term. There we go. Test up into the 2152, there at that 161.8, and then even possibly up into the 2180s. But again, we're going to need to, I would assume that we're going to need to see some sort of value establish higher. If not the 1 year, at least we'll need to see the 6-month here move, HVN move up into the 2195 area. And if we can stay on top of that value, then I think we can see a push into all-time highs and then again up into the 2150s.